Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today I'm gonna make a special dessert. This is not only tasty but loaded with tons of nutrients. Because this dessert is made with avocado. You can serve it as a mousse, and if you freeze it, it can be served as an ice cream. And this dessert also includes a brownie chocolate ball. Before we move on, click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to GreyPot, and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post new videos. You need 2 avocados for this dessert, and you have to take ripe, soft and creamy avocados. Let's cut it and see the fresh, creamy flesh inside. You have to discard the seed and scoop out this flesh into a bowl. And you have to store the shell of this avocado in freezer for 30 minutes. And into the scooped out avocado, add in fresh cream, very little sugar, half a lemon juice, and 2-3 drops of vanilla essence. Now you have to blend everything into a smooth paste. You can see the texture of it, it's so creamy and smooth. Now take the avocado shell which we are storing in freezer and add this mousse into it. You can have this right away. This will taste very similar to a mousse, but I'm gonna freeze this and serve it as an ice cream. Once you fill this shell completely, using the back side of a knife, you can just level this. Similarly, I filled in the second shell. Now you have to freeze this for minimum 6 to 8 hours. Let's melt some dark chocolate for the chocolate ball. And to make the balls, I have used the leftover batter from the no-bake chocolate brownie which I uploaded last week. You can use the same batter to make the balls. And you have to freeze it for 10 to 15 minutes or until it gets solidified. And dip these balls into chocolate and transfer it onto a parchment paper and keep it aside till the chocolate is set. To check the no-bake brownie recipe, click the I button above or check the description box for the recipe link. And as I have tempered the chocolate without even keeping it in refrigerator, the chocolate is already getting set. Now after 8 hours, our ice cream is set. Now with the help of a melon scooper, scoop out a ball of ice cream from that and place the chocolate ball inside the dent. So here it is, our creamy avocado with the chocolate seed is ready. This dessert is so smooth and creamy. The smoothness of the avocado adds more creamy texture to the dessert. And when you serve this in an avocado shell, it adds more beauty to this dessert. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Thank you.